Welcome. Today we're visiting the facility of Samsung Techwin Changwon No. 3 plant in South Korea. The purpose of our visit today is to inspect a significant contract order which Samsung Techwin is finalizing for one of their Middle East customers. The significance of this contract is 17 compressors of 3 different sizes built to API 672 standards, along with the specific customer requirements. Samsung Techwin has been completing these units over the last 12 months, and we've partially delivered half the contract, have passed final acceptance test. And what you see here behind me is the completion of this contract. A major point of note with these compressors is the fact that they are being shipped packaged as a complete package, including the cooling water system. Destined for the Middle East, where cooling water is an area of particular note, we have packaged these units along with completely self-contained closed-circuit cooling water systems. They are water-cooled compressors using water-to-air heat exchangers. The final acceptance tests to date have indicated that we exceed, in many cases, the design parameters set down between us and our client. Of note, for example, the noise levels were somewhat, and in some cases, quite a bit below the contracted values. The specific energy and the total flow capability of the machines, again, exceeded contract performance.
This 17 unit of compressor will be operated at natural gas liquid plant and gas and oil separation plant. We got more engineered compressor order recently from Venezuela and Korea and Arab Emirates. We hope to show our capability to all over the world for oil and gas companies.